Welcome back. Trade's impact on the heartland. U.S.-China trade tensions starting to hit America's soybean farmers. Connell McShane with more now from Ogden, Iowa. Connell, good morning.
Hey, good morning to you, Maria. This is a follow-up story for us. We were here in Ogden, Iowa back in June on Ron Heck's farm, and that's when the trade talk and the trade tensions were just starting to kind of heat up in the media and elsewhere. And Ron said to us he was concerned about things, but he says, come back when it's harvest time, and I'll tell you how I'm doing. So we have. It is harvest time now. You look out at the fields here, rows and rows of soybeans as far as the eye can see. Usually 1 out of every 3 of those rows goes to China. This year, not so much, and Ron's been kind enough to let us into his farm again and join us to talk about it. Thanks for having us back here, Ron. We appreciate it. I know it's been tough times for your business. Tell us how tough.
Well, the price of beans has been dropping for years, and now prices are $1 below Chicago, around $7.50 a bushel, down from $10 earlier this year.
Yeah, we have a chart of it, and the $10, as Ron says, back when we were here in June, is basically where we are. We've fallen maybe 17% since then. A lot of that's the tariffs, right?
Yes, tariffs is a big part of it, and then we had great weather the rest of the summer, so now we have big yields on top of that, so we've really got a lot of extra beans.
What's the future hold for you?
Well, I'm storing my soybeans. Even on the Chicago prices, you could get almost $1 by holding until next harvest. I don't know if I can wait that long, but I'm going to wait and hope for this to work out.
And what if it doesn't work out?
Then I'll have to take my losses and reload and try to do better next year.
All right, we're going to talk to you throughout the day, and thanks for having us back, Ron. And as I was making this point, Maria, as we look down the field here, again, there's rows and rows after each other. Usually 1 out of every 3 goes to China, but the Chinese just aren't buying right now. So Ron and other farmers are forced to sell to other parts of the world. They're doing their best to do that, but they don't know when the Chinese market will come back online. And and speaking to other experts about this, they'll tell you that the concern is long term, will it come back online, and when and if it does, will it be anything close to what it was? So this is tough times for farmers, but to Ron's point, and this is an important point we'll make throughout the day, it already was a tough situation for these farmers because the price had all come down from 13 to 10, now from 10 to about $8 a bushel. So we'll follow it throughout the day and in the days ahead and weeks ahead, months ahead.
And it's really important. Connell, thanks very much. We'll keep checking back, find out what you learn. Connell McShane this morning in Iowa.